Hi, welcome to MECHOLOGY. In this video, we are going to create this exercise number 56. And first of all, we will use revolved boss to create this basic shape. And after, we will use the different features like extruded cut, extruded boss, and whole wizard to create the rest of the model. And if you want to download this PDF, then we will provide link in description. You can visit there and download this PDF. And let's go on SolidWorks to create this model. Now select new, select part and apply OK. Select right plane and go to sketch. Here select center line and draw one horizontal center line like that. And now select the line and draw lines like that. And select this point first and select this origin and make vertical. And wait, we need diameter, not this dimension. So select again smart dimension, select this center line and this dimension is 108 and cancel. This is 4 and this distance is 29 minus 4.4. This diameter is 36 and this length is 100. Now select a line and draw lines like that, and this diameter is 85 and this length is 12 and this length is 18. Select this line and select this line and make collinear. Now select this line and select this line and make parallel. Now select line command and draw lines like that. Just coincide this 2 point and this is 30 and this distance is 30 also. This diameter is 20 and this diameter is 24. Select this line and select this line and make collinear. Now go to features and select revolved boss and apply OK. Now select the top plane and go to sketch. Now select center rectangle and draw one center rectangle like that. Select this center and select this origin and make vertical. This distance is 85 and this distance is 86. Now select offset entity and select this rectangle and reverse it and 6 mm offset. And now go to features and select extruded boss and here select contour, select this middle one and select this outer one. Here select offset and it is 54.5. right, it is 54.5 and just reverse it and here is a 12 mm and apply OK. Now select extruded cut and select the same sketch and now here select selection and select the middle contour and first here select surface and this is the surface, reverse it and it is 6 mm. Apply OK. Now select the right plane again and select the line, draw one line. Now here go and select this hidden line views, select smart dimension, make sure this point is not touching this line. Okay, so if it is coincident it is okay, but it should not be touched to it. So I think we should keep distance from here. So we will apply this length of this line according to it. So we apply here 25. Okay, it is 26. Now go to features and here select rib, flip the material and it is 6 mm, apply OK. Now come to this view. Okay, now it is okay. Now select this one and go to sketch, select the line and draw lines like that. Select this line and select this circle, make tangent. Select this line and select this circle, make tangent, and here select convert entity, select this and apply OK. Now go to features and select extrude boss, select this 3 contours and reverse the direction and it is also 6 mm, apply OK. Now select this face and go to sketch and here select this center points slot and draw one slot like that. Select this center point and this origin, make vertical, and this distance is 22 and this is 60 and distance from here is 62, I think. Yeah, it is 62. Now select circle and draw 2 circles and both circles are equal, so apply equal, and diameter of this circle is 9. Now go to feature and select extrude boss and it is 6 mm only, so apply OK. Now select your extrude cut and select the same sketch. Here just clear the selection, select this one and select this one and here select up to next and apply OK. Now select again, okay, now select top plane and go to sketch and select here this straight slot and draw like that, and distance of this point from this A is 29 and here select this view so we can get the view throughout this geometry. Okay, now we will come to this view. Okay, so this one is 5 mm radius, sorry, it is 5 mm radius, and select the circle and draw one here and it is 6 mm diameter. Make sure this line is not touching this one, but it's this point is out of this edge, so we can get the full shape here, right? Now select the line and draw one line. We don't need to apply any dimension to here. Left this as unconstrained. Now go to features and select extrude boss, select this contour and here select offset, it is 18 plus 4 and here reverse it, here select up to next, apply OK. Now select extrude cut and select the same sketch and select this circle here, reverse the direction and apply OK. Now select this face and go to sketch, select center line and draw center line like that. Okay, select center line and draw center lines like that. The angle between these two is 45 and it is 94 by 2 because the diameter is 94, right? Now select this and draw slot like that, and yeah, this is 6 mm radius and you can give anything dimension here, any dimension you can give here. So this dimension is, we take the 60 and now select the circle and diameter of this circle is 5 mm. Now we have select circular sketch, select this, and this, and the number of instances is 4. Apply OK. Now go to features and select extrude boss. Select the whole relevant contours. And here select offset, and this 12 mm. Reverse the direction, and here select up to next, up to surface. Okay, and this is the surface, and apply OK. Now go to extruded cut and select the same sketch and select the whole 4 circles. And here select up to next, apply OK. And now go to whole wizards, select whole wizards, and here select this one, select unsymmetric, and here select show custom sizing, and it is 6 mm. And here select up to next. Now go to position and select 3D sketch, make here, and just go to dimension. Distance from this surface is 16, and distance from this surface is 18. So we get this hole in middle. Now apply OK. Now again select whole wizard and select this face. Okay, first select the right, select unsymmetric and select show custom size. It is 15 mm, and here select through all. Now go to positions and select 3D sketch, apply here. Now go to smart dimension, and dimensions of this point from this surface is 47, and from this surface is 22, and apply OK. Now go to fillet, select this edge and select this edge. That is 5 mm fillet. Apply OK. Now our exercise has been completed. We just need to apply appearance to it. Here go to fillet and select the body and select this one and apply OK. So thank you for watching. Please share, subscribe and like.